everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the derivation for most economical rectangular channel. First, consider a rectangular channel and this rectangular channel is indicated, free surface here is indicated with delta, and let width of the section is equal to b and depth of the section is equal to d. Here the width of this channel is b and the depth here is d. Okay, next we know the formula of area for rectangular channel. A is equal to b into d. Consider this as equation 1. And we also know that perimeter for rectangular channel, but here we take open channel. Open channel means this surface is contact with the atmospheric pressure, so only these three sides are taken for perimeter: d plus b plus d, which is equal to b plus 2d. Okay, next take equation 1. A is equal to b into d. Here we have to find the value of b. B is equal to a by d. Substitute this b value in equation 2. Okay, p is equal to a by d plus 2d. Let us consider this as equation 3, and this is the most economical channel. Means for a most economical channel the discharge should be maximum. Okay, for most economical channels, whatever the channel it may be, but the discharge should be maximum. Here discharge is inversely proportional to perimeter. Means if the discharge is maximum, perimeter is minimum. If the discharge is minimum, perimeter is maximum. Both are inversely proportional. Here we said that it is most economical section, so discharge should be maximum, then perimeter should be minimum. Okay, that's why here perimeter is minimum. For making perimeter minimum, we did what we done is just differentiate p with respect to d and equate it to 0. Okay, here we know the p value a by d plus 2d. Okay, differentiate this value with respect to d and equating it to 0. Here a is constant, and for 1 by d the derivative is minus 1 by d square. Okay, and here 2 is constant with respect to d. For d, what is the derivative is 1. 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So here minus a by d square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is minus term, so move this to this side. We get a by d square is equal to 2. Here if we move this d square term to this side, what we get is a is equal to 2d square. But previously we know that from equation 1 a is equal to b into d. So equating these two, we get b into d is equal to 2d square. Here d will be cancelled, and what we get is b is equal to 2d. Okay, in next we have to find out the hydraulic mean depth is indicated with m. What is the formula for hydraulic mean depth is m is equal to a by p. The formula for hydraulic mean depth is area by perimeter. We know the formula for area. What is the formula for area of a rectangular section is b into d. What is the perimeter means b plus 2d. Here we got the b value as 2d. So substitute this b value in this. We get 2d into d by 2d plus 2d. Okay, to what is 2d into d? 2d square. What is 2d plus 2d? Here 4d. And here d and d will be cancelled. 2 is in 4 2 times. If we cancel, we get the hydraulic mean depth as d by 2. This is the derivation. For more understanding, let us see a small problem on this derivation. What is the problem is, a rectangular channel of width 4 meter is having a bed slope of 1 in 1500. Here width is given. What is width? B is equal to 4 meter, and bed slope is given. In some cases bed slope is indicated with theta. In some textbooks it is indicated with I. Okay, whatever it may be, we can indicate in both. So I or theta is equal to 1 by 1500. and find the maximum discharge through the channel. Take C is equal to 50. Here C is given as 50. For finding discharge, what is the formula? We know that AC root mi. A means B into D, but here D is not given. Here given maximum discharge. What is the meaning of maximum discharge? Maximum discharge means it is a most economical section. Okay, so we take the formulas from this derivation. Here we get B is equal to 2D. From this, what is D? D equal to B by 2. So D equal to, here I write as D B by 2. What is B? 4 by 2, 2 meters. And M is equal to D by 2, no? So D is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. We got B value, theta value, C value, D value and M value. So now let us substitute all these values in the discharge formula. Q is equal to AC root mi. A means B into D. Here B is 4 and D is 2. 4 into 2. And here C is 50 here given. So 50. M is, we find the value of M is 1 and I is 1 by 1500. If we calculate all this, we get as 10.32. Here it is denoted with a meter cube per second. Always the discharge is denoted with a meter cube per second. This is very very important, the denotion, sir. Why? Because in the examination point of view, this will carry marks. So finally we got discharge value Q equal to 10.32 meter cube per second. This is all about most economical rectangular section. Thanks for watching.